Log direction on the SNIK sawmill. We measure to the pith at the root end. The piece of wood gives the same height from the saw grooves to the saw bed. We lift the top end up on a wooden wedge. So the height of the pith matches the height of the root end. The wooden jack piece is for the swing arm on the adjustable heels on the saw frame. The log is 5 meters long. The two wooden pieces rat holes with jacks for raising and lowering the device. We measure the first cut with the saw here 330 millimeters. 330 millimeters. 330 millimeters at the root end. We always cut from the root end for cleaner cuts and to avoid pinching the saw chain. First cut. The first cut is now completely in line with the marrow. The motor's rated current is 15A 7.5 kilowatts. Millimeter precision.